hello. I am live. Just gonna do a couple things before I start the stream. Well, start the actual stream. Give me a second. Just check Twitter. There we go. See my tweet. Okay. So, welcome to the first live stream of 2016. As you probably read in the title, I'm going to be installing Windows Vista. I will actually be making a video on this at some point in the future, possibly this month. Not sure yet, but we'll see. Hey, Nicole. What? Okay. So I got VMware Fusion open. I guess we're gonna start installing Vista. Change the music. Actually, I'll leave it on that for now. Alright. Here's me. Hello. And this is actually the first video, whatever, where I'm using my Zoom H1 microphone. Got it a couple of days ago. Working pretty well so far. Okay. Where's VMware? There it is. Select the installation method. Install for a disk or image. I have to actually get the disk. There it is. How much does it cost? What, VMware Fusion? This is actually a trial version. Not sure how much it actually costs. Alright. Just move this to the side. What's up? What's up, Velo mods? I'm doing well, thanks. Okay. It's going to be a bit complicated. So I'm just going to... Well, not really. I'm just going to insert this Windows Vista disk. Which looks like that. Just get the full screen webcam. There it is. Bit scratched, but hopefully it should work. It's the 32-bit version. I'm just going to insert that into my MacBook CD or DVD drive. Hear that, hopefully. See an icon on the desktop. Just put the microphone back in its original position. And there's the icon for it on the Mac desktop. So what we have to do is just install from disk or image. Excuse my absent brain, what computer are you installing on? I'm using VMware Fusion on my 2012 MacBook. You can probably tell it. I'm using it on a Mac. This computer. Right here. To be honest, your voice is the only reason why I subscribed. Lol, that's different. No homo. Okay, there it is. Windows Vista. Use easy install. No, I don't want to use that. Oh. No, Rosie. In case you didn't know, that's my cat. Who just jumped off. Just gonna let her out the door. Oh, Rosie. Okay. So, guest operating system, Windows Vista. New hard disk, 40 gig. Memory, 1 gigabyte RAM. I think that's alright. Hopefully it works. Windows Vista, save. See if this works. I'm just going to go into the main thing here. Window capture. VMware. Oh yeah, congrats on 1K, thanks. In case you didn't know, I reached, well you probably saw, but I reached 1,000 subs, finally. Quite happy about that. But yeah, there's Windows Vista. It's reading from the disk. Hear it there. Just gonna make this a little smaller. Hear that? Are you making? Just put this back. Are you making a special video since you reached 1K? I might. Maybe like a 1,000 subscribers special or something. I don't know what it will be about. But I might make one. Okay. Here we go. It's booting up. It's booting up. Copyright Microsoft Corporation. And that green loading bar above that text. Okay. Got a mouse cursor. Now let's wait for 100k. I'll probably be making a 100,000 subscriber special, for definitely. because that's quite a big milestone. If I do say so myself. Anyway, there's Windows Vista. The setup screen. We'll do English, United Kingdom. That's where I'm from. Please wait. Type your product key. I do have a product key on this, in this copy. Don't know if it'll work though, I have to check that. So I'm just going to show you the full screen webcam while I type that in. Chats. Just going to put the chat here so you can see what's happening in the chat. Okay. Okay, next. It doesn't work. It's an upgrade key. No. Why installing Windows? Well, I'm installing Windows Vista, which is a version of Microsoft Windows that isn't the best one they released. Okay. It's like the edition of Windows that you purchased. Home Premium. You can see that. Okay. Accept. Custom. Disk 0 unallocated space. 40 gig. Next. There you go, it's installing. Might take a while for it to install. I think I'm going to change this music. Okay. Not that one. This one. Okay. Still use Vista to this day. Cool. How is it? What's it like to use in 2016? As I said, I am going to do a video on it in the future. On this. Should be interesting. Why do you need Vista on your Mac? Because I'm going to be making a video about it. And this is what I'm going to use. Which is VMware Fusion on my MacBook. Mid-2012. Not bad. Still supports a lot of stuff. I like Windows 7. Cool. Still on 0%. this will take. Make sure to install Service Pack 2. I will do that. I think first you have to install Service Pack 1 and then Service Pack 2 in order to install Service Pack 2. But yeah. Well, now it's at 1%. 2%. 3%. 4%. It's going up very quickly. 5%. Now it's on 6. Yeah, not sure how long we'll be waiting here for this to install. It's on 7%. I'm going to see what we can do in the meantime. No, it's on 9%, 10%. What's this? New version of ShareX. Are you installing on an SSD? Just put this down. Are you installing on an SSD? No. Although I will be getting an SSD on my computer very soon. I've actually got... Where is it? I've actually got 8 gigabytes of RAM that I'll be installing, as well as an SSD if I do get that. As you can see, let me just switch to the full screen. You can see there, it's HyperX, 8GB memory kit. It is for laptops, not for desktops. You can see there, I will install this eventually into this MacBook. Guess while we're here, I thought I'd show you some of the stuff that I got for Christmas, since Christmas has passed. This is one thing I got. It's pretty interesting. This 3D virtual reality headset from Tech. Enjoy the nature and real 3D image world. Just show you what it looks like. Okay. Put it back in the box. Okay. And there it is. See the reflection there. And that's where you look through there. And basically how this works is you put in your smartphone. This is a virtual reality headset where you put in your smartphone into this little bit here. Let me just show you. There's your smartphone or whatever. just put that in there. You have to align it. Oop. There you go. Now you can just put it on your head. I'll do that right now. Yeah, there you go. That's what it looks like on my head. There's nothing on the screen at the moment, I'm just seeing black. But yeah. Get the idea. And then of course you can use like virtual reality apps on your smartphone or whatever. What are you gonna use Vista for? Just for fun, actually. I'm just gonna use it for fun. And also for my video. I'm gonna make a video about it in the future, as I said. Should I just leave this out for now? Might use it later. Yeah. Another thing I got is this Anker Power Port 5. It's basically a little USB hub thing. Well, not USB hub, but you can plug it in and you can charge up to 5 USB devices. Plug it in there and you've got 5 USB ports which you can use on your devices, which is pretty cool. Haven't found the use for it yet, but I will use it eventually on the occasion when I need it. So yeah, that's that. I also got this amazing book, It's Not on Fire, World of Dan and Phil. In case you don't know them, they're YouTubers, quite popular YouTubers. It's a great book. Another thing I got, which I haven't tried yet, it's a smartphone projector, a bit dusty. Yeah, it's a smartphone projector, which is what you can use also with your smartphone. Although it does require some construction, as you can see. Got some cardboard bits there, which you assemble together using this handy guide, or whatever, there. Just put this in there. Okay. Just give me a couple of seconds, not secs. Okay, just tweet that out. Okay. Alright. What do you prefer, Windows 7 or Windows 10? Windows 10, I prefer. It's definitely improved from Windows 8, which was not good at all. Actually, I like both, but I do prefer Windows 10. They're both great operating systems from Microsoft. Going back to the Christmas presents, another thing I got. This Sony MDR XB 450 AP headphones, which is actually what I'm wearing right now. What I'm using right now. Quite nice headphones. Have decent audio quality. Let's see. There's your little ear cups or whatever. And there. Let's see. Vista install's almost done. Windows needs to restart to continue. Let's see. That's booting. Well, restarting, rather. Oh, that's a bit big. So what's going on there? Just see. Oh, it's showing a black screen currently. There we go. It's got a bit smaller. There's the boot screen again. And then one last thing that I got for Christmas while we're here. It's a juice booster. Phone to phone charger. I'll just show it to you now. You can actually get it out of the package. So basically, what it is, just take this off. So you got two micro USB ports there. And what you can do is you can get two phones. Let me just get the other phone. So you got two phones, and you want to charge one of them. And basically, what this does is it lets you charge one device from another device, if you know what I mean. Let me just show you. Looks a bit weird, I know. Which one's charging? There you go. You can see there, this Samsung S4, Galaxy S4, is charging from this Moto X. See there, 94%. Obviously it doesn't need charging. But if you switch it the other way around, like this, you can charge the other device. I think. Well, if it's turned on, actually. But yeah. That is the juice booster phone charger. Phone to phone charger. Quite cool. Anyways, back to Vista, which is almost done actually. Just gonna put some of this stuff away. Okay. Let's see what else I got. One final thing. I know I said one last thing earlier, but it's just this one other thing I want to show you very quickly. A raisable memo pad with built-in 4-port USB hub. Did try this, by the way. But yeah. This is the memo pad itself. You got your USB hub there. And you got a little memo pad thing there. Let's just write something. Bit overexposed on the camera, but there you go. It's like a little etch-a-sketch, if you know what those are. You can just erase it like that. Try and write something. Bit wonky, as you can see. There you go. You get the idea. Quite fun, I guess. Okay. I think that's about it for now. This erasable memo pad thing. Oops. But yeah, that's some of the stuff that I got for Christmas this year. Just gonna put this away. In terms of the installation, still on this screen. Yeah. Just give me a sec. Okay. What are your specs? I'll show that to you right now. Let me just get them up. Hold on. Go to Apple. About this Mac. I do know that is an Intel Core i5. processor with 4 gigs of RAM. The rest of the specs are coming up right now. There you go. 2.5 GHz Intel Core i5, 4 gigs of RAM, Intel HD graphics 4000. In terms of storage, just have to wait for that to load. 500 gigabytes SATA drive. Only got 13 gigabytes left. But yeah, that's those specs on the MacBook Pro 13-inch mid 2012. In fact, I can show you on Mac Tracker, which is an app that allows you to look at information for old Apple products, old and new Apple products. See it there bouncing on the dock. Still on the screen. Nice. Nice snowman there. See if Mac Tracker loads. Taking a while. Probably because I'm doing too many things at once, I don't know. I mean, I am streaming and installing Windows Vista on a virtual machine. It is taxing the CPU quite a bit, I assume. Okay. Well, I can see the Vista thing gone black. See that there. Let me find my laptop. There it is. That's my computer. MacBook Pro 13-inch 2012, mid 2012. Just move that to the side. MacBook Pro 9,2. Yeah, that's that. Anyway, back to Vista, which is currently at a black screen. Should be doing something. We've got a mouse cursor that we can move around. Oh, it's restarting, I think. Yeah, it's restarting. There you go. Microsoft Corporation. Taking a little while to restart. Windows Vista doesn't support the latest iTunes, and Google has discontinued Chrome support for Vista in April. Alright. So it may not be as usable as Windows 7 in 2016, I guess. I mean, there's still a lot of applications that you can use on Vista, but some of the popular ones are getting discontinued for Vista and XP. Yeah, I was doing something. Just getting a black screen at the moment. We've got a mouse caster, which is cool. Loading. There we go. Choose username and picture. Just gonna type my username there. Should I add a password? I'll just add a password. Why not? And I will choose a cat as my display picture. Type a computer name and choose a desktop background. Alex TPC. Windows Vista VM, we'll just call it. And I'll choose a background. What background should I choose? Quite like this one actually. I'll just keep it on that. Help protect Windows automatically. Use recommended settings. Instant. Ask me later. I mean, updates don't really matter on Vista. Because it's only on a virtual machine. It's not gonna be my main OS. Review your time and date settings. GMT. Next. Home. Thank you. Start. Gonna pause the music for a little bit. I think we might get a startup sound. You know that first Vista startup sound that you hear before you even log in? Da 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 da, or whatever. You'll hear it, hopefully. Let's see what happens. Please wait while Windows checks your computer's performance. Getting it done just got more fun. Oh, I just went black. Oh, there you go. Getting it done just got more fun. Time is precious, more than ever. You need a system that is simple, easy, natural, and enjoyable, and it just went before I even finished reading it. Connect and communicate like never before. Now safer and easier to connect with people who matter most. Wherever you choose voice, video, photos or text, you've got an amazing array of options in Windows Vista. Oh, really? Still checking the performance. Turn everyday moments into lifetime memories. With simplified tools for uploading, cropping, cutting, and creating photos, Windows Vista makes... and it went before I finish reading it again. Connect, play, and have fun. With Windows Vista, you've got the hottest titles, the latest features, most vivid 3D graphics, like so many ways to collect more safely with your Vista computer. I didn't finish reading it. How to find everything. More secure environment. Spend less time fixing problems and enjoy a faster, more reliable online experience with Windows Vista. And it's just gone back to the beginning again. Gone back to the beginning. It's almost done. Oh, here we go. Something should happen at this point. There we go. That's what I was talking about. Let's log in. A little bit exciting, but not really. But yeah, it's booting. Logging into Vista for the first time. Okay, my MacBook fan's really loud. Hi, I'm Minecraft Builder. Welcome to the stream. Just installed Windows Vista. It's currently booting. Preparing a desktop. We're getting there. Windows Vista is the laggiest OS ever from Microsoft. It made my old PC die. Yeah, it was. I have to agree, it was quite laggy. I had it on a Fujitsu Siemens laptop, I think. I can't remember. But yeah, I had it on a laptop that came with XP. I think it was a Pentium 4 or something. Didn't run very well. So, about, was it 3 years later, I installed XP again, because Vista was a bit too slow. Why don't you install Windows XP or 7? I agree. I once had an eMachines T3646 running Windows Vista Home Basic. I had problems with Vista on the PC. Yeah. But I'm installing Windows Vista because, since it's quite bad, I'm going to be making, well, quite bad, whatever. I'm going to be making a video about it eventually. There's the box. And it's booting. Well, it's booted. This is the desktop. What Mac do you have? MacBook Pro 13-inch non-Retina. I forgot to say that. Non-Retina. Mid-2012. Updates are not being installed automatically. Just ignore that for the time being. But yeah, that's Windows Vista. It's desktop. Got the clock there. Volume. Network. Safely remove hardware. That, and that. And the Windows sidebar. Which is loading right now. Well done. Thanks. Should be loading. Oh. Welcome center. It says down there. Welcome center. It's loading up. Vista runs great on my workstation. I have it dual booted with Windows 7 Professional. Cool. We've now got the worst OS ever. I know. There you go. It shows the specs of my computer. Although the RAM isn't the same. I've got 4 gigs and not 1. It's just allocated to this virtual machine. Lol. Yeah, I know. There you go, it says welcome. I see that the welcome center was opening slower. But yeah. 1 gig of RAM, standard VGA graphics. Will install VMware Fusion, obviously. What made you think about getting Vista? Well, when I first heard about it in 2007, was it 2007? Yeah. I was actually quite excited about it. I wanted to get it. When I got it, it was very slow. It wasn't the best version of Windows. Some hardware that worked in XP didn't work well in Vista. So I went back to XP on that laptop I mentioned earlier. And I'm installing it today because I'm going to make a video about it. So that's the worst operating system. Probably the worst operating system Microsoft ever made. Apart from Windows Millennium Edition. Gonna put some music back on. What should I put back on? What haven't we had? Shop channel. You make some of the best videos. Thanks. Minecraft Builder. Yeah, I've already had that. I'll just put the shop channel music on. Why not? What's new in Windows Vista? Discover new features that can help you be more productive. Stay safe and have fun. What ISP do you have? Well, in the UK, don't know where you live, but I have, what do I have? Virgin Media. I don't get the best speeds in terms of internet speeds, but I guess it's alright. If you want a faster experience, would allocate 2 gigs of RAM. Alright. I think I might do that, I don't know. Oh, I'm in the UK, okay, cool. But yeah, I've got Virgin Media. Let's go to Documents. That's Windows Explorer. Looks very different for Windows 7 and newer versions. Hi Azar. Yeah, as you can see, in case you missed, I just installed Windows Vista. As you can see. Just trying it out here. Sample pictures. See all the sample pictures there. Guessed alright. Just gonna close this. Got Windows DVD Maker. I remember that, using that. But yeah, I'm gonna install VMware Tools now. Hashtag worst OS ever. No, that's Windows Millennium. Windows 7 is better than Vista. Yeah, it is. Both ME and Vista are the worst. Let's see what this does. An unidentified program wants to access your computer. Allow. I had Windows Me, it crashed every 5 seconds. Yeah, that was quite buggy. No, Windows Millennium Edition. I had Vista for 2 years and my parents had to reinstall Vista multiple times. Well, that's bad. When I had Vista on my computer, I didn't have to reinstall it. There were some problems with it though. Some hardware didn't work properly. Yeah, it depends on your hardware. But most computers from around that era, like 2006, 2007, 2008 or whatever, that didn't work well with Vista. Please wait while the setup wizard installs VMware Tools. When I had Vista, it took 15 minutes, well, to boot up. I had to wait 5 minutes to load any programs. Oh god. That is really bad. Although it does depend on your hardware. As Match Tech Reviews 2000 said. I remember when I upgraded from my e-machines, from Vista to Windows 7, which I'm still using after 5 years. Copying new files. Do you have Aero graphics? Not right now. But when VMware Tools installs, I should be able to get Aero graphics. Oh, he's talking about Birthday Brian's e-machines computer. This is slow. What graphics card do you have? On my computer? My laptop? Say Intel Graphics 4000. Yeah, Intel Graphics 4000. Installing PS2 mouse driver. Installing VMX Net Free driver. Don't know what that is. I had error on my e-machines before. I don't have my vintage e-machines anymore because the motherboard got fried. Installing audio driver. Installing video driver. High plasma blast. registering, removing backup files. Music froze. Don't hide it, you know I am. Yeah, I know who you are, that's my brother. What OS have you had? What, my computer? Currently, this is running... Wait, hold on. Getting a beach ball. Getting a beach ball at the moment. Don't know what's happening. Why did you get a MacBook Pro? Well, because it's quite a powerful laptop. I don't know. I actually previously used a 2009 MacBook. In fact, I'll get it for this. I'll just get it right now. There it is. Hold on. Yeah, this is the laptop I used before this MacBook Pro. I think I got it for Christmas. You can see the keyboard's all worn out. Let me just get the full screen cam. But yeah, keyboard's all worn out, as you can probably tell. Oops. And the hinge is broken. It doesn't work as well as it used to. That is ancient. It is plastic build instead of aluminum. Yeah, that's that. See there? The other way. It's a bit hard to show this on the webcam. As you can see, that's the side of the computer with the ports. There. Yeah, throughout the time I've used this MacBook for 5 years. It's quite a long time. Put one sticker on it. Just one sticker. Waiting for a game to download at 1.4 megabits. What game is it? Just interested. Oh, it's restarted. Payday 2. Cool. It's restarting. Hashtag UK internet sucks. Yeah. It's doing something. Just gonna resize this. Oops. Oops. There we go. Oh. There you go. What phone do you have? Currently, it's the Moto X 2013 edition. 16GB. As you can see, it's an Android phone. Yeah, I cracked the screen. You planning on getting in any new PCs? Probably. I'm considering it. Just gonna change the music. I have a Moto G 2015. Oh, that's nice. Alright. So, I have an iPhone 5S. That's cool. Kind of considering getting an iPhone. I do have an iPhone 4 actually. Somewhere. See that? Cracked back. This is actually given to me by my sister. Let me just show you. That's Twitter. Yeah, it's the iPhone 4. There. Yeah, you get the idea. See, it's the black iPhone 4. The OG. I also have Chipgate. Okay, back to Vista. Before we log in, actually, let me just log in. Welcome. I also have Chipgate, aka iPhone 6S. There we go. Look at that. It's a little bit faster than it was before. You can't actually see the mouse cursor on the live stream in this mode for some reason. Don't know why. But yeah. Just gonna tweet out a screenshot to anyone who hasn't joined yet, who maybe is thinking of joining, I don't know. Oops. Just close this, don't need this. Just gonna take a little screenshot. VMware Fusion recommends running an antivirus software to ensure a secure and safe Windows experience on your Mac. Would you like to install a complimentary 90-day subscription to McAfee Antivirus Plus now. Oops. That's what I'm getting. Don't show again. It won't be my main operating system. But yeah. There's Windows Vista. Alright, I'm just going to tweet out a screenshot. Do you have any other Windows PCs? I do actually have a Windows PC right next to me, in fact. I'm using it to view my Twitter timeline. It's an HP Compaq DC5700 micro tower. Has an Intel Core 2 Duo, so it is older. Intel Core 2 Duo, 2 gigs of RAM, and it's running Windows 10. That took a while. Yeah, it's running Windows 10, latest version of Windows. Let's see if I can show it to you. Don't know if I'll be able to do that, but we'll try. Trying to hold this thing handheld. Probably the best angle you're gonna get. And that's the computer there. If I go a little bit closer to the screen, you can sort of see there. See my little Zoom H1 there. That's what I'm using. That's the computer attached to this monitor. And yeah, got this Zoom H1, this little tripod there. The laptop's quite hot. It's MacBook Pro. Quite hot. WTF. Why? Why'd you say that? Hashtag bad laptop. Yeah, it doesn't have the best specs, this PC, but it isn't my main machine. Writing a tweet right now. In case you're wondering what I'm doing, I'll show you. There's a tweet. Currently trying out some of the features of Windows Vista. There's a link of the live stream. Just have to find the screenshot I just took. And there it is. Screenshot 2016. There we go. And tweet. There you go. In case you aren't following me on Twitter and want to follow me, I guess, I don't know. to Alexander Tucky. Right there. But anyways, to here. Now that we got VMware Fusion installed on here, guess we can see if Aero graphics work on here. Appearance personalization. Personalization. I could have just right clicked on the desktop. But oh well. Oh well. Window and color appearance. There you go, Windows Aero. Let's give that a try. It's doing something. Doing something. There you go. Windows Aero. Just got on a tweet from @Chris the Apple one. Let me just show you. Never mind. I remember Vista. It was so horrible. Yeah. Anyway. Let's see. Aero works. See there with the taskbar. I'm gonna try out Windows DVD Maker. See if that works. Share your memories on a DVD. Make a DVD that includes your videos and digital photos that you and others can watch on TV. Blah 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 blah. I actually did use this at one point. Don't show this page. Choose photos and videos. The problem is I don't actually have any videos, pictures on here. Let me see if I can get one. Get some photos. Well, it wasn't the worst it could have been, but all I remember is viruses and a slow computer. Just gonna see if I can get some pictures onto Windows Vista to try out the Windows DVD Maker. Okay, gonna copy some pictures over onto the desktop. So you might see some pictures appearing on the desktop as I copy them over. I'll do one more picture. That one. And then a video. What video should I put in? Don't want it to be too large. Just gonna look here. Give me a second. What would you prefer, a workstation or a gaming PC? Probably a gaming PC. Because I think there's a little bit more power in gaming PCs, not sure. Alright, found a video. I've got a whole bunch of stuff on the desktop. Alright, let's see if we can add these in to Windows DVD Maker. Very similar to iDVD on the Mac, which isn't supported anymore. Well, isn't really available on Macs. I don't know, to be honest. I didn't port the video because it isn't supported. Let's try this out. So I think it offers some themes. Here we go. Ready to burn disk. All these styles here. Baby blue. Baby pink. Bandwidth. Highlights. Look at that. Quite weird. Video wall. That looks weird. Guess it's not enough pictures to show. Yeah, that's iDVD. No, not iDVD. Windows DVD Maker. Windows Live Messenger download. There are some games here. Purple Palace. I remember playing this. Just gonna turn down the volume a little bit. Okay. Let's try this out. Try that one. What level of difficulty do you want to play? Beginner, intermediate, or advanced? Beginner. Look at that Comic Sans. Already not responding. Oh, there we go. Can you help us fill orders? We are way behind schedule. Look at all the cakes that appear on the TV and make matching cakes. Good luck. You can turn off tips and options. Whatever. Start here. Start your cake here. Look at the order on the TV and choose the right shape for your cake pan. Got a square. Pink. Yellow. And the love hearts. Cake match order. Very good. You matched the order. Now move your cake, not Kate, to the platform with the star so it can go to shipping. Cool. I've got a circle. Pink. Brown. I think that's chocolate. And a smiley face. Cake's finished 2 out of 5. Okay, love hearts, pink, pink icing, and another love heart. Got another love heart. Yellow, yellow. These little circle things or whatever. Okay, got one more. At Alexander Tucky, did you know that in between each of Microsoft's different Windows versions / upgrades, there were actually other ones as well? Unfortunately, they never got released because the install time of their predecessors took way too long. Lol. Yeah, I did. Just gonna tweet back at him. Don't know if he's watching. Tweet. Not tweeting. Tweeting. Tweet. Don't know if he's watching the stream, but if he is, hi. Hi, Bernhard. Don't know if I got the pronunciation of your name right. No, I've already got that. Chocolate icing. Yellow. And then those circle things again. One game. You're a good baker. You filled a lot of orders for us. Thanks a bunch. You're welcome, guy. Don't even know what you are. Congratulations, you won the game. Rank Baker Supreme. Final score 1300. High score 1300. Average number of incorrect cakes 0. Games played 1. Win percentage 100%. So is Vista running smooth? Hold on. So is Vista running smooth? Yeah, sort of. I think if I wasn't streaming, this would be a lot smoother. Probably. Yeah, that's Purple Palace. Quite a weird game. Yep, I was / still am watching your live stream. And I was just kidding, of course, my last tweet. Oh, okay. Let's have a look at these widgets. We've got a whole bunch of different ones. Got that one. Got a red clock. Got a silver clock. Got a flower clock. Got this neon type clock. Got that one. Got this one without any numbers or whatever. So I'll go with that one. No, not that one. That one. I just pressed cancel by accident. Whoops. There you go. Got a little photo frame there. Yeah, these are basically gadgets which came with Vista and Windows 7. And they were discontinued, I think, in Windows 8. I think. Yeah, I think so. Got a CPU meter. You could put some on the desktop if you want. See the CPU usage. RAM usage 47%. It's quite a lot. Contacts. There's only one contact. Not much use there for me anyway. Stocks. Wonder if this actually has up-to-date information. Serve's not available. Oh, okay. How about weather? Service also not available. So yeah, there's some stuff that doesn't work on Vista anymore. Probably tell. What's your least favorite Windows version? Probably Windows ME. Very buggy. Just want to try something. Look at that. Got this. We can switch between windows. It's a little flip thing, or whatever. Can't remember what it's called. Yeah, you can switch between windows like that. Or you can do Alt Tab to switch between the windows, just like in Mac OS X. See that? And in older versions of Windows, obviously. But yeah, you can switch between different windows like that. Do VMware Fusion, OBS, iTunes, and yeah. Just gonna choose a different song. Alright. We'll be ending very soon, by the way. Been streaming for quite a while. Let's see what else we got. I can show for now. Microsoft Paint. It's very different from newer versions of Windows. It's a little bit like Windows XP, the one that came in Windows XP, you know, the Microsoft Paint version. It's a little bit different. You can edit the colours. High, a wiggly line, another wiggly line, or whatever. Yeah. Don't know what I'm doing. Don't save. Windows Counter, Windows Contacts, Windows Defender, Windows DVD Maker, Windows Live Messenger Download, Windows Mail, Windows Media Center, Windows Media Player, Windows Meeting Space, Windows Movie Maker. Let's try that. And then I'll try Windows Media Center. I think I'll end the stream there, I guess. Look at that. Version 6.0. Yeah, version 6.0. You can see that. Got the little timeline there. Whatever. Got your video there, audio, music, title overlay. Change the properties of the project. Whatever. Advanced. 16:9. Yeah, the resolution's a bit low for demonstration purposes. Can't. Things are a little bit big. There's your effects. Zoom in, watercolor, warp, threshold, spin 360, speed up double, slow down half, sharpen, sepia tone, rotate 270 degrees, rotate 180, rotate 90, posterize, pixelate. Yeah, got all these effects. Okay. Windows Media Center. Let's give this a go. see what it's like. Still loading. There we go. It's doing something. With the mouse cursor. Ooh. Look at that. To get started with Media Center, select one of the following setup options. Express. Okay. Doing something. Taking a while. Record a TV, play DVD, music library, picture library, video library. You can do different tasks there. Online media. Let's try pictures and videos. Picture library. Windows Media Center is done creating a library. Do you want to choose other folders to watch from media files? You can do this later by setting library setup and settings. No. I've already looked at these pictures, but there they are again. But in Windows Media Center. Okay. Escape out of that. I guess you just go back there. Press the little Windows Media Center button there. Okay. Alright. That's Windows Media Center. Finally, to end off this stream, I'm gonna try out Internet Explorer. Yep. I think this is version 7, if I'm correct. Yep. It's gone to MSN. Of course. You've opened a new tab. With tabs, you can use one Internet Explorer window to view all your web pages, open links in a background tab while viewing the page you're on. Save and open multiple web pages at once by using favorites or homepage tabs. Yeah, you go there. Anyway, I'm gonna go to google.co.uk. Help make your browser more secure. Ask me later. I will see if I can get Chrome on this. some point. I don't think this will load properly. Let's see if my channel. Let's see what my channel looks like. Internet Explorer 7. I like that. Obviously, it's not loading properly. That's the live stream. Behind the scenes stuff and installing Office 97. That's the last stream I did. Subscribe. See that subscribe button there? Anyway. That's that. I'm just going to try and see if I can get the version number. There we go. Internet Explorer 7. 2006 Microsoft Corporation. Okay. And to end this stream, I'm going to see if Chrome works. Don't know if it will, but we'll see. Maybe you need Service Pack 2, I don't know. We'll see. Accept. Here we go. Do you want to run? Downloading Google Installer. This may take several minutes. You can use your computer to do other tasks during the installation. It's gone black. Oh, use your account control. One of the bad things about Windows. Well, especially bad on Windows Vista. Still in Windows today. Connecting to the internet. Internet Explorer 7 was the worst. Agreed. Agree with that. Downloading 4 minutes, 3 minutes. $47 seconds, 39 seconds, 37 seconds. Version 9 is way better. Agreed. Of course, the newer versions of Windows, well, Windows 10 actually, you've got Microsoft Edge. It's a completely new web browser from Microsoft. Now it's installing. Internet Explorer 9 supports HTML5. Oh yeah, it does. Oh, this is taking a while. I don't know how long it will take. And YouTube. Just checking if the stream works. You can see that. Seems to be all working fine. There it is, in the quick access bar, I think that's called. Gonna close that. There it is on the desktop. There you go. Windows Vista. Opening up. Chrome. Much better web browser than Internet Explorer 7. Let's see if this loads the welcome thing. There you go. Welcome to Chrome. You're using a fast new web browser. Mouse over to the markers below for quick tips, rather. Not steps. I think I'm just going to load a new tab. No, it doesn't need to be open. There you go. I think this is the latest version of Chrome, if I'm not mistaken. Let's have a look. Your computer's fans are spinning at max speed. It may run slower because of that. Yeah, I think it's because I'm streaming on OBS. It'd obviously be a lot faster if I wasn't streaming. But yeah, version 47.0. Google Chrome's up to date. Copyright 2016. Alright, that's Google Chrome. Okay, I think been streaming for about nearly 2 hours now. God. So I think about time I end this stream. Gonna shut down Windows Vista. Nearly said Windows 7 there. Logging off. Shutting down. But yeah. Where that fell. Quite close. black screen. There you go, that's it. It's Windows Vista Home Premium. So that is about it for this little live stream. Just gonna eject the disc actually as well, since we're done with that. Have to turn it a little bit so that it can actually eject. There it is. Windows Vista. Gonna put it back in the thing, the box. All right. That is about it for this little live stream. Hope you enjoyed it. And there will be future videos, including one about Windows Vista. So look out for that. You should subscribe if you haven't, to see when this video goes live. Awesome stream, thanks Azar. Alright, thanks for watching. I'm going to be hanging out in the comments for a little bit before I actually stop the OBS broadcast. So if you have anything to say, like any questions or whatever, you can ask them there. I'll be hanging out in the comments for a little bit. So yeah, that is it for this little stream. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you soon in a future live stream / video.